Hey, I need more salt in here. Oh my goodness. Well, another day and another opportunity to cook something on the grill. We're gonna use that grill over there. My oldest son asked me to come with him to have a, couple hours and enjoy with him. He's driving his dirt bike, and I decided that I'm gonna cook something for him when he come back for his trip, wherever he's going right now on the mountains. Personally, I don't like it when he drives by himself, but he's driving for years, and he knows that you gotta be more careful when he is by himself. See the motorcycle over there? That's cool. By the way, this is a food program, not a motorcycle program, but we can do both. We always can barbecue, can grilling, and can have a good opportunity to enjoy a piece of meat on the outdoors. Okay, I changed my mind. Yes, I don't need that much fire over there, and I'm going to cut the back, and I'm gonna make the little sausages and the meat that I have in there. And I don't need them. All right. I'm gonna put it inside the big one, and I will cut a piece of aluminum in this one, so I can put it in the bottom like this. Okay, so the ashes is easy to handle it. Not let them go too loose. Like this. I will never do myself a fire in the woods or in the mountains if the wind is too high. Someone can question my technique to start this fire, but let me be clear in something. I don't have a technique for this today. Remember, have a fire extinguisher close to you, and this is fire. I'm gonna put that in that, and I'm gonna watch it closely. Looks perfect and safe too. I love it.
Grill.
Noise.
Sounds good.
This piece of meat. That's it. Son, can I have the salt?
Can I do that?
Evenly, and it's perfect.
Even?
Yeah, it's fine. A little more can be.
Perfect.
When we flip it, we're gonna put salt in the other side.
Oh man, it's good.
Put the salt in the other side. Okay. This is ready. Okay. I come back for the bread. Keanu, please do the honors. Again, the grain. Oh, you go for the dries. Let's try. You need to cut it across the grain.
Next time.
Next time. It's good, man. Oh, the bread. What? What do you say?
Grain.
Do you see here? You see?
Mm-hmm.
This is the grain. You see?
Mhm.
Like a lines.
Yeah.
So you cut it across the grain. So you're supposed to cut it this way.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Across the grain, perfect. And they will be less chewy.
Get over here.
Okay.
Oh, this is the garlic bread.
Oh yeah. Look at the piece of garlic in there. Yes, I know. Okay. XT ashes in here, so be careful when you dispose of these ashes. I'm gonna put it here in that corner. Little bit of water I have. Yeah, I'm gonna throw a little bit of water. Why not? Start grilling, guys.